Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to add site chart in Shopify without any coding or without any third-party apps. So here we are going to talk about our breakdown step by step process in this throughout the video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, already we are landed in our Shopify dashboard, and if you want to just view our front end design, as you can see, this is our website design where we have couple of products over here, and this is our simple website design. So here we are going to add our site chart in our products. So here I'm just going to add a product so we can find out some product on our Shopify page on the front end page. So here I will just click on product, and here I'm going to make it short, then upload a product image. Let's go onto the download and let's find out. So this one, I think this one will be good, so I'm going to choose this one. Once I click over here, then it will be uploaded. So here you can see it has been uploaded, so I'm going to give a price that will be 1500 BDT, and then here you can track the quantity, even you can uncheck it. Once you're done, just click on save. So now here you can see that our product has been created. So here you can see that our message is congratulations, you added your first product. So let's go on to the preview and let's see it. So here you can see this is the product. So I just want to add some sizes on this panel. So here we have couple of options, but we are going to use the simplest way where we can easily use it by without any coding or any apps. Just click on online store. Once I click over here into the online store, there is a couple of options, so you will get that themes, pages and preference. Just click on pages. Once you click over here, then here you will get options to create a new page for you. So I'm going to create a page that will be add page, and here I'm going to give a name that will be main size just, and here we are going to give a size that will be, just click on this content box, and here as you can see we have this bulleted option, then insert table option. Just click on insert table and click on insert table, and I'm going to give some options that is sizes. Then I'm going to add another one. Let's click on insert row below, and here I'm going to add small. Then similarly I'm going to add one by one all the things: small, large, small, medium, then it will be large, then last one will be extra large, and then I'm going to add some column over here. So here insert column before, no, we are just going to add it after. So here we are going to click on insert column after. So here I will click on this, and I'm going to paste the name that will be United States, and here I'm going to reduce the size and let state, and size will be 32, 44. So here I'm going to add the large size will be 42 and extra large will be 48, and then similarly I'm going to add another row. Let's reduce this one and add another column again after this one. Insert column after, okay, not this one, after, and it will be United Kingdom. And similarly here I'm going to give a size all one by one, that will be 34 by 36, then 36 to 40, 41 to 44, 45 to 48, and this way I'm going to add couple of other countries that will be Europe. So here I'm going to add one that will be Italy, and the size will be similar. So here you just need to add your random number. So let's go 35 to 40, 41 to 44. So there I'm going to add 1, 40, 48. So once you're done, you just need to click on save. Just click on save, and before click on save, always make it visible, then click on save. And now you can easily preview it whenever you want. So I will come back to products again. Just click on products and then go on to here, and now here you can see this is our t-shirt design, and we are going to click on preview. Once I click over here, then I'll click on customize option. So where is the customize option? So there is no customize option, so we just need to click on online store, then click on themes, and then eventually you will get these customized options. Actually, you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then they will redirect you to that page where you can customize all the things. I am just going to click on this shirt, and now here you can see we are allowed to customize all the necessary things over here. In the left panel, you can see we have these options called product informations. So here you can see information. So I'm going to add a section. Just click on sections, then find out a thing that call. So here I'm going to search it collabs. Let's find out where is the collabs content. So here you can see this one may work. I hope so. Yeah, not this one will be not. So here we just need to find out the block option. Where is the block options? So let's go at sections. Just click on add sections, then add some couple of sections over here. So let's find out page. So here I found out this solution, that is you just need to hover it here and you will get the add blog option. Just click over here, add blogs, and here you can see we have a couple of blogs option. So here you just need to search that products or collapsive row. Just click over here and it will be added here, as you can see, and I will change the name, that will be sizes, and then you can change the marks as you want. So I will make it proper, then I'm going to check it out, that will be sizes. So let's find out which one will be proper for our, let's click on shirt. Here you can see shirt, and if you just click on raw content, here you can see these options. So here we have couple of options like raw content, and then second one is raw content per page. So I'm going to work with this one, raw page. Just click on this select button. Once you click over here, then here you can see we have this page like we already created, men's size. Just select this one, and eventually you can see our page has been pasted or connected with this one. So here you can change the size, whatever size you want. You can do it by saving. Just save it, and let's click on shirt preview, and here you can see. So if you want to change or do edit on this panel, it is really simple. You just need to be exit it here, then come back to the pages, and let's search it here and click over here, and now you can increase the size this way, and let's save it, and let's refresh it here again, and you can see it will be changed. Sometimes it will take time to change it. So let's click on duplicate, and let's click on view again, and here you can see it looks amazing. So it will take few time to change it. Here you can see it has been changed so much than the previous one. Similarly, you just need to again change it. Let's increase the size, and then you can decrease the size. Okay, as you can see it how easy the process was. So I hope you can now do it by your own. So here you can see it is changing all the time when you edit on this panel. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. You can change it as you want. So I hope now you can easily add site chart on your Shopify product page without any coding or without taking any help from any third-party apps. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.